Welcome to Learn Spanish Tutor, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Spanish. Hola a todos, soy Rebecca. Hi everyone, I am Rebecca. In this lesson, we are going to learn the days of the week in Spanish. ¿Están listos? Are you ready? Empecemos. Let's start. First, let's break it down together. Here are the days of the week in Spanish. Lunes, Monday, martes, Tuesday, miércoles, Wednesday, jueves, Thursday, viernes, Friday, sábado, Saturday, domingo, Sunday. Now let's practice them all together. Repeat after me. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Awesome. If you're enjoying this lesson so far, please hit the subscribe button. If you need to practice more, just rewatch the video. Now, let's learn a couple more important terms. The word for week in Spanish is semana. Repeat after me. Semana. Semana. Great job. The word for weekend in Spanish is fin de semana, which literally means end of the week. Repeat after me. Fin de semana. Fin de semana. Awesome. You've now learned the days of the week. Keep watching our videos to practice your Spanish. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to learn more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.